Good morning, class 6 students. Students, we are doing chapter number the new questions and the ideas, chapter number 7. And today we are going to read about the topic Upanishads. Around the time that Buddha was preaching, and perhaps a little earlier, students, we are reading about the time of Buddha when Buddha was preaching, or time earlier to that. Other question thinkers tried to find out the answers on a different questions. There were other people also who are finding the questions answers in different questions. Some of them want to know, many people want to know the means the scholars, the people who used to do the meditation that time want to know the answers about their life after death. Others want to know about why sacrifices should be performed, that why the sacrifices are being made. Many of these thinkers felt that there was something permanent in the universe that would last even after death. And many thinkers used to believe that time that many things are permanent after death also, in universe are permanent after death also, and they will last for long. They describe this as the Atma of an individual soul and the Brahmins of the universal soul, Brahman. They believe that ultimately both Atman and Brahman were one. Many of these ideas were recorded in the Upanishads. All these records, when they were doing the thinking, when they were doing the meditation, and they were finding down the answers, they, according to their opinion, what they have get the answer about, they write down all these recorded in the Upanishads. They were the part of the later Vedic texts, and these are the part of the later Vedic texts. Upanishad literally means, what does the meaning of Upanishad? It means approaching and sitting near. Approaching and sitting near. And the text contain conversation between the teacher and the students. And the students approaching means that they want to know the answer. The approaching means the nearest answer they have, and they have written in the conversation form between the teacher and the student. Often ideas were presented through the simple dialogues, and the student their ideas means the answers of the questions are in the written in presented through the simplest dialogues form. Most Upanishad thinkers were means, especially Brahmins and the Rajas. Occasionally, there were mentions of women thinkers. They were in is mentioned in the women thinkers such as the Gargi. So students, the women thinkers were also there, who was famous in her learning and participated in debates held by the royal courts. So students, they also discuss whatever the discussion has been held in the royal courts. Also, that was also done, written in the Upanishad. Many famous expectations of the Satyakama, Jalba, Jabla, who was named after his mother, was a slave woman, and Jalbi, he had the deepest desire to learn about the reality she was having. Jalbi has a deepest desire to have know the reality of the life, and accepted as a student of Brahmin teachers named Gautama, and became one of the best known thinkers of the time. And she became one of the best thinkers of that time. Students, we are talking about the year when after before 2000 after 2500 years ago. We are talking about the 2500 years ago time, when she was being considered as the best thinker of that time. Many ideas of the Upanishads were later developed by the famous thinkers Shankaracharya. After that, the many famous ideas were developed by the Shankaracharya, for whom we are going to read about in class 7th book. Thank you.